Wala man siguro exception din nga kuan has seen the ups and downs from before COVID time, and during COVID time it was the lowest of the low, and here we are post COVID. I'm sure na bugid mo na-notice nga mga kabag-uhan, no? Largely speaking about say social interactions or unsabay ka ng mga consumer habits or
Kung sa inyong work setup karon.
yes, kay really there's really kanang murag kanang sa ana significant change to
Grabe.
to the society as a whole, and to see things changing might be quite kanang daunting sa ato.
For us, shocking as well.
Okay, kay laliman ka living your normal life on those past say X number of years.